Understanding the phrase, collision zone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, collision zone. This phrase isn't just about physical collisions, it has broader implications in various contexts. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Collision zone primarily refers to a physical space where collisions are likely to occur. This could be on roads, in air traffic, or even at sea. It's a term often used in transportation and safety discussions. For example, a busy intersection with poor visibility might be termed a collision zone due to the high risk of accidents. Interestingly, collision zone is also used metaphorically. In this sense, it describes a situation where differing opinions, interests, or forces meet and potentially clash. For instance, in a business meeting where different departments have opposing views, that meeting could be described as a collision zone of ideas. To understand it better, let's see some examples. 1. The roundabout near the mall is a notorious collision zone due to its confusing layout. 2. During the debate, the discussion about environmental policies became a collision zone of opinions. These examples show how collision zone can vividly describe both physical and abstract scenarios. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase, collision zone, for you. Whether talking about a busy street corner or a heated debate, this phrase is a powerful tool for describing situations of potential conflict. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. See you in the next video.